Oh, sorry.
Coffee is just bean water.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Colie.
And I'm Mari.
And this is
The Futon.
And we're watching
Day 6, even of day. It's a subunit.
Oh, okay, I was gonna ask actually.
When?
So. Where the Sea Sleeps. Ooh. Oh, I really hope this has a lot of like water imagery.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, wow, okay. Didn't expect that.
No, me either.
This is so cute.
That's a little hand.
I know. Oh my god!
Hill.
Oh my god, what is this? Oh,
This is so cute.
oh my god.
They're so cute.
Oh, this is so cute. What a sweet song, too. Work together.
Friendship.
Oh my god.
Hey, they did it.
Oh, look at the little fingers. Oh, he's a captain.
Oh.
Wow.
Very sweet.
Oh, it still has that like ballad feel too, right? You want to like. Oh man, this is great.
Signal Monet. Oh, that's the rest of Day 6.
Oh.
Oh. That's cute. I want to be with you, and it's their little animals.
So cute.
They're lost.
Searching. They got it. Yay! Yay!
Oh,
Oh, this is amazing.
this is too cute. Oh, meteors.
Danger. Oh no! Oh no! If this ends sad, I'm gonna be devastated. Oh my god!
My heart just broke. Like, you hear it shatter.
Yo.
Oh, he's still holding them. Oh no.
Okay.
Maybe the sea. I gotta end up with sandy cheeks.
Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god, if they ever make like promotional like
They have.
plushie.
They have. Nicole, I have a one-fold keychain of Pill. Look at the bunny.
Oh my god, I just made that connection. They have plushies though?
Yeah.
I might have to spend money.
Oh girl, I'll let you know when I can buy them.
Oh.
See, hallucinating? Because they're there. He's hallucinating. In the bubble. In the ocean.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
This better be someone's wedding song.
This is a beautiful song. Do they reunite? Oh, do they reunite? That was beautiful. Beautiful.
Wow. Maybe the Day 6's next comeback when it's all of them.
Are they gonna stick with this like little animated
I don't
like
know.
story though? Because I'm a huge fan.
I know, like, That's so creative. Good for them.
Oh man, I might have to buy DAY6 merch.
I'll let you know.
Thank you.
You could do a group order.
Thank you.
I'll let you know when the plushies come back.
Who's the fox?
Young K.
What does he play? That's how I know them best. Thank you.
Jay's the guitars.
Mm-hmm.
More electrical guitar.
Yes.
And the chicken. They call him.
Oh, one pill is the bunny.
Yeah.
I should get one pill, but this box is so cute.
Futon, the drummer, is the doggy.
Cute.
And their leader, Sungjin, is the bear. Yeah. I know, they're super cute.
Also, again, I know we're focusing mainly on the video, but the song is beautiful.
No, I would love to see someone's wedding day.
Like a first dance to this.
Yeah.
Oh.
The lyrics are really, like, when that one scene, like, I want to stay with you, and they show the rest of the group, like, my heart, like, broke.
I know, when he's holding on.
Yeah. But where were they? When do you think they got back to sea? I hope they're in his backpack. His backpack. Alright, let's watch it again.
Okay.
Hit it, Sammy.
I'm excited.
I know. It's so cute.
I didn't realize it was connected to this video.
Yeah. Oh, well, I didn't know they were gonna do that. But they've always had, like, their little animals.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know enough about DAY6.
No.
But I do love Wonpil.
He's the best.
Yeah,
He's
that's
the
funny.
bestest boy. Sammy, you drop your gummy.
No. I didn't want to disturb you guys. I watched it fall.
Oh, I, like, turned around like, there's a gummy.
No.
Oh, bye, gummy.
Yeah, I'll pick it up when you guys are done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
So cute.
Yeah. See, that's all their hands. I like the mug. Little face. Oh. I like how it has to stand on the stool. I wonder what they're really saying.
I feel like it's just Animal Crossing talk. Oh. We're blowing this pop stand. Such a pretty song.
Sing about my some type of way for me.
Oh yeah.
My happy some type of way for me.
There are two different some type of ways.
Yeah, there's the hurt and the happy.
Oh, look at the tail wagging.
It has that old school like Boys to Men.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like there's still that like
That R&B feel.
that deep feel.
Yeah.
Like it's very sweet, but you still got that deep feel.
Like I'll make love to you feel, but in a sweet way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate this part. Yo, I got real nervous, so I was like, if anything happens to them.
Yeah. Day.
Oh,
This part made my heart break a lot.
this part scared me too. I was like, oh my god. Like, I have emotional investment in this.
Did you only have eyebrows?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Says the one who has the keychain.
I know. You know when you don't realize some people have certain things on their face?
Mm-hmm. I mean, that happens to me in real life too.
They all have eyebrows except for Jay.
She's a screaming chicken. Ooh, that part. Ooh. Can we just appreciate that?
If someone goes to a DAY6 concert and doesn't propose to you during this song,
Oh, right? Oh, man.
break up with them.
Oh, look at the happy wheel.
I don't like it. I don't like sea life.
I know, sorry.
I want to listen to this at night
Yeah,
and like, kind of cry.
It's very relaxing.
Yeah, but I also want to cry because of how like good it is.
It's phenomenal. I DAY6 is definitely like my favorite
Band.
Yeah.
Band.
Well, because they really are a band
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
They have a good voice.
Sorry.
I'm not trying to find my headphones, you know.
But that was great.
Yeah, I really liked it. Very sweet.
I was not ready
No.
for the little animations.
No. I mean, technically I was, but I didn't expect it to be the whole thing.
You're right. I thought it was gonna at some point switch to them actually like playing music.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it was fine. It was
yeah.
great either way. I was a big fan. So far, it's been my favorite video we watched so far. It's so cute.
I can't wait to ask.
It's a great song.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. You just got really soft all of a sudden.
It's a soft video.
Yeah.
Soft song.
Yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let us know if we can get the plushies anytime soon.
Please. I will drop money.
Yeah. Yeah, same. Peace.
Bye.